Hello guys, this is Ashish Tripathi. I am a corporate trainer. I am providing trainings on programming languages, automation testing, and API testing, like different testing methodologies. I am providing training. So today we are going to talk about Python programming language. This is the very important and very advanced programming language. It could be a very good career option if you are choosing this Python. If you wanted to be a Python developer. So in this Python programming we'll be learning, I have divided this course into few sections, so I'll be discussing about those sections today. So first portion will be introduction portion. Here I'll be giving you training on what is Python, basics of Pythons, and how to install the PyCharm, that is the IDE of Python, and how to work with that PyCharm. Then we'll be moving to the next portion, that is data types and operators. So data type and operators are the most common and most important part, not only for Python but for any programming language. So we'll be learning for Python here these two topics, operators and data type. Next portion we'll be learning conditional statements, if else kind of statements, and then control statement, that is looping statements. And then we'll be moving to the data structure portion, very important portion. Then after that we'll be moving to tuples and dictionaries. These are also important topic. Then we'll be moving to the modules. In this module we'll be learning what type of namespace, what is sys.path, what is dir methods, like what is reload operation. Like these are a few samples I'm providing you, but in actual curriculum we'll be providing you so many things other than this whatever I'm telling you here. Because okay, so next will be exception handling. We'll be giving you training like what different types of exception we could have and how to handle those exception, try, except, else, finally, these type of exception keyword we are handling. And then regular expressions will be providing you debugging, how to do debugging. Then classes, object oriented programming, like concepts, packages, okay, constructors, destructors, that we'll be learning here. Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, like overloading, method overloading, operator overloading, that we'll be learning. Socket programming we'll be seeing, like how to handle the socket programming through UDP and TCP protocols, that we'll be learning. Logging we'll be learning, database connectivity we'll be setting up, and we'll be learning CGI programming, also very important topic. CGI programming and multi-threading, these both are very important topic that we'll be learning. And Python framework, then I'll be telling you Django will be covering in this curriculum. And if one resource want to cover any other, then that also we are handling. So okay guys, thank you. See you there. Thank you.